Hello to all Instagram lovers. Welcome to Quick Tech Pro. In this video, we're going to discover together how to find the reels you've recently seen on Instagram. We know that sometimes you find a cool reel but you don't have time to watch it all at that moment, so here's the solution. Let's get started. First, open the Reels section on Instagram. When you find a reel you want to watch later, simply like it. This will save the reel in your interactions so you can come back to it whenever you want. Now, to view those reels you've marked with, like, go to your profile and press the 3 vertical stripes in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. Within the menu, select My Activity. Then, in the Interactions section, click on Likes. Here you will find all the reels you have liked. And that's it. You'll find the reel you liked and you'll be able to see it again whenever you want. It's a great way to not miss those funny or inspiring moments you find on Instagram. And that's it. Now you know how to find the reels you've recently watched on Instagram. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments. See you next time.